Let's start the class. Both palms together, Namaste Mudra here. Thalang Y, relax your shoulder. Thalang Kyutai, relax your elbows here. Yamat, close your eyes. Yamat. Bintuang hit bow in normal breathe in. And thousand. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Balan Om chanting, 3 time Om chanting. Inhale. Lan high. Inhale. One more time, The Mothlan. Inhale. Rub the palm, Soy Bantai. High Dynamat, palm on the eyes. And to open eyes. Namaste, Xin Chào. Welcome in the Noon Yoga class. So, home night of yoga, Uang Lung and Mahang. So, back bend and hip opening here. Let's start the class here. Gently. Roll the palm outward here. Inhale, lift the heel up here. Stretch the whole the body. Kyo Jantat. And exhale, release here. Inhale, keep stretching the whole the body. And exhale. Hôm nay không tập Zumba. Xin gầy. Hôm nay không tập Zumba. Tuần trước tập Zumba. Giữ, hold there. Nam. That's going to stretch the whole the body. Bone. 3. 2. And then 1. Heel down. Arms open. Bend forward here. Lean the body all the way down here. Inhale, palm on the waistline, high thigh nam home. And exhale, push your hip forward, arch back here. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, arms open, bend forward. Inhale, arm on the waistline. And exhale, push your hip forward. Cow, Demong Vechuk, yes. Inhale, raise your arms up. And exhale, lengthen spine, bend forward. Inhale, high thigh nam home. And exhale, push your hip forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Keep the knee straight. Lift your sitting bone more higher. Thay Mothlan, last round. Inhale. Both palm on the waistline here. Mochut Bantaigan, palm more closer here. Push the hip forward. Demong Vechuk. Vaivesa, knuckle and leave the center of chest here. Hold this position. 5. Tapchum high goat chan swang, knuckle and leave the center of chest. 4. Stay there. Vaivesa, Uang Lung. Uang Lung. Ba. Themuchut Uang Lung. Yes, more. Themuchut. High. And then more. High thigh lean. Raise your arms up here. Ere dan thigh. Finger lock. Palm together here. Inhale. Leave the center of chest here. Roll the shoulder back. And exhale. Lengthen the spine. Drop the body all the way down. 5. 4. Boob swung. Yes. 3. Knee straight, thang chân. 2. And then 1. Very slowly come back. Finger lock. Relax your arms here. One leg. Relax your one leg here. Opposite side. Opposite leg here. Side stretch. Bantai chai. Inhale. Push the right shoulder back and exhale. Side bend here. Come back. Inhale. And exhale. Come back. Inhale. And bantai chai nam home. And exhale. And slowly come back in center. Opposite hand here. Tai chai. Inhale. Stretch the trunk. And exhale. Side bend. Come back. Inhale. And exhale. Come back. Inhale. Lengthen the spine. And exhale. And then come back. One time, one round. Hold there. Wi-Fi lane. And push the right shoulder more back. And then lean your body to the left side here. 5. That's good. Bantai chai un. Keep pressing the left palm. 4. Day Wi-Fi waist up. Push your right shoulder more back here. 3. 2. And then 1. Come back here. Change the side. Inhale. Push the left shoulder more back. And exhale. Side bend to the right side here. That's good here. 5. That's good. I'm Bantai 5. Keep pressing the right palm firmly. 4. Chithang hai mom. Both hips straight. 3. 2. And then 1. Arms down. That's good here. Finger lock. Arms outward here. Palm facing outward. Inhale. Stretch up the trunk. Lengthen the spine. Inhale. And lean your body to the right side here. Hold this position. 5. Keep moving your right shoulder more right side. 4. Yes, keep moving your right shoulder away from the right hip. 3. 2. And then 1. Arms down. Drop the arms down here. That's good here. Bend the right elbow and left elbow downside here. And then anyhow lock them here. Yes. Now, arms forward little bit. Inhale. Leave the elbow more higher. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale down. One more round. Inhale up. Hold this position. Now, slowly, lean your body to the right side here. Tata sang phai. Day long swang sang phai. Yes. Come back in center. Inhale. And opposite side. Come back in center. Inhale. And right side. Come back in center. Inhale. And left side. And then come back. Now twist your spine here. Just swing the body. And then release. Elbow straight. Roll the shoulder. Do a rotation. That's good here. Now finger lock. Palms outward here. Inhale. Lengthen. Stretch the shoulder. And then exhale to the left side here. 5. Dauko Waigai knee swung. If you have neck pain, so look down. 4. 3. Yes, look joy. 2. And then 1. And arms down. Bend the left elbow here. Right elbow down. Anyhow lock them here. Now arms forward. Inhale. Leave the elbows. And exhale. Inhale. and exhale. One more round here. Inhale up. Now lean your body to the left side to Sangchai. Hit lane. Inhale. Sangfai right side. Inhale up. Left side. Inhale up and right side. And then come back. Now swing your body left to right. And arms down here. Roll the shoulders. Both legs together. Yes. Both hips straight here. Arms forward. Inhale. Lift the center of chest. And exhale to the right side here. Don't move your hip. Khom swai mom. Hit bao nin thang thang lung. And throw the exhale to the left side here. Inhale. Come in the center. And exhale to the right side. Inhale, come in the center. And exhale to the left side. Inhale, come in the center. And exhale to the right side. Hold this position. 5. Thalong hit. Thousand. 4. 3. 2. And then 1. Opposite side. Sangchai to the left side here. 5. Inhale. And exhale. 4. 3. Thousand. And then 1. Come back here. So home night tap yoga, uang lung and mahang. So uang lung, warm up the spine, back bending here. Mochud mahachan. Alright, banchan gun, toes inside here. Maha, heel open here. Yeah, that's good here. Now raise your arms up here and mochud ganchan. Kom new jang. It. Here. Now inhale. Here we go. Push your sitting bone back side and then arms back here. Come back, inhale. And tailbone extending here. Arch back. Inhale. And Demong Ve Sao. Arms back here. Inhale. One round, hold there. Z. Hold there. Y Ve Sao. Push your sitting bone back. That's good here. 5. Enjoy it. Mochu Demong Ve Sao. 4. Hit. Thousand. 3. That's good. Push your hip back. 2. And then 1. Very slowly come back. Relax your arms here. Relax your shoulder here. So now, second warming up exercise. Ninthi, look to me here. Look me. Here, inhale. Open the chest. Mochud gaptai. Bend the elbows here. Inhale. Especially upper body arch here. Khom tapchum dhemong vechuak. Tapchum knuckle here. Knuckle. Nile okay or nin vesa okay. Temuchud marchin. Legs open more than usual. More than usual. That's good here. Chin middle. Bend forward. Enjoy. Hit so. Inhale. Open the chest. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. 3 more time. Thembalan. Hit so. And thosa. Hit so. Thosa. Themotlan. Hit so. And thosa. Tai swang dung lane. Come in the standing position. Just rest for a while. Swing the body left and right. That's good here. Now in the fast mode here, same Maha got here. Here we go. Mong Vesao, Tai Vesao here. Tai Vechuak, Mong Vechuak here. Okay, same like Zumba, eh? De Mong Vesao, Tai Vesao, Vechuak, Vesao, Vechuak, Vesao. 5. No. 4. Hip backs, arm backs. 3, 2, and then 1. That's good here. So hôm nay tập Zumba đây eh? Không đi tầng 5, tầng 8. Okay, không, yes. Tầng 5 niyo. Oh my God. Xoay lông here. So to warming up spine, hôm nay uống lông thêm một tập ở đây. Nhìn thấy, look to me here. We will start from here. Tai Vechuak, Vai Vechuak here. Come forward and lock, make a grip here. Here okay, comes out. Then inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? Mochamlan 100 times. Okay, at least 10 times. Ready? Mochut Mahachan, more than usual. Yes, that's good here. Bend forward here. Drop the head down here. Slowly. Hit so, inhale. Thailand here. Uang lung. And thoza. Gap chuak. Bend forward. Enjoy. Inhale. Thailand uang lung. Nin vesa mochut. And exhale. That's good. Inhale. And exhale. Go back. Inhale and exhale. Vesa. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Finger lock. Inhale. Hit that into both normal. Breathe normal. And exhale. Breathe normal. Inhale. Hold there. And exhale. Breathe normal. Inhale and exhale. Gapchua. Margi. Hai tay nằm cổ chân. Catch the ankle heel here. Inhale, head up. And exhale. Lengthen the spine. Drop the body down. 5. That's good. Keep lengthening the spine. Tapchum high goat swung. Delung vecho, delung swung. Lengthen the spine. Bone. Ba. High. And then Maha. Tutu. Chan 5 Vesahu. Dogoi 5 swung. Right knee on the ground. Last good here. Dogoi 5 swung here. Last good here. The first one. Very simple here. Finger lock, palm outward. Inhale. Little bit drop your sitting bone down. Push the hip forward and then arch back here. Inhale, look straight. And exhale, arch back. Inhale, look straight. One more round. And exhale, arch back. Hold this position. 5. That's good. Mucho suai on sanchai. 4. That's good. Naklen tai vesa mucho. 3. 2. And then 1. Look straight here. Bend the elbows, bantai chop here. And sang chai. Twist your spine to the left side here. Counter posture. 5. Maha Kyutai. Maha Vai. 4. Queen. 3, Phongoi. 2, and then 1. Tai Suang, Chan ve sao, downward facing dog, Chaun mat. Chan chai lane, left leg up. Chaun mat, Chan chai lane. That's good here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Chan chai ve chuak, do voi phai suang. That's good here. Now this time, Tai phai nam do voi chai here. Tai chai lane, inhale, leave the center of chest, make it from here. And exhale, arch back here. Come back, inhale, and exhale, arch back. Come back, inhale, last round, Themoslan, and exhale, hold there here. That's good here. Nam, Khom Thalong Ban Chen Phai, Sin bone right leg, bone, ba, hai, mo thai tai lane, doi tai, chain the hand here. That's good here. Tai phai suang sang chai, counter pose. Tai chai lane, raise the left hand up here. 5, Khom Thalong do goi chai, okay? Okay, đứng rồi. 4, 3, Savai zone, roll your navel, Savai zone bubbling, roll your navel to the left, more up. 2, and then 1, Savai lung doi bain, Tai chai suang sang phai, Tai phai lane, right hand up here. Left palm to the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Tai suang, Chan ve sao, Chaun mat, downward facing dog. Chan chai lane. Chan chai lane. Chan chai lane. Z, hold there. Nam, Thang hai mom, both hips straight here. Bone, I'm saying I khom mong chai lane, so I do chai sang chai, thang hai mom. Ba, em ở khom sinh ai so I do chai sang chai. Hai, and then mo, the motlan last round here, chan chai ve chua, gantai, do goi phai suang here. Here, you have some option here. Ban tai chai nam home, okay. Ban tai chai nam dui phai, okay. Or ban tai chai nam goat chan phai. Choose one here. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Stretch the trunk and exhale, left hand. Adai okay, or you can go to the right heel here. Hold this position. 5. That's good here. Tai chai nam goat chan phai. Bring to the right heel. Yes. Go more back. Okay. 4. Cow. Tai chai nam goat chan phai. Left palm to the right heel. 3. Neckline, leave the center of chest. Day vai phai suang. Enjoy. 2. And then 1. Raise your arms up. High tai lane. Thang chan chai, left leg straight. Now chan chai vechuk mochut, left leg forward. And then high tai suang. Tai phai suang sang chai. Tai chai lane, maha vai. Twist your body to the left side. Nam. That's good here. Vai chai lane, maha vai. Okay. Sorry. Silloy. 3. Okay. Yes. So I on bubbling. 2. Anaban tai phai suang, right palm down, left hand up. And then 1. So I lung doi ben, tai chai suang sang phai, tai phai lane. Twist opposite side here. 5. Mahavai, move your shoulder away from each other. 4. Lift the toes up. 3, 2, and then 1. Arms down, leg back, chan ve sao, chaun mat, chan chai lane. Chân chai lên, left leg up here. Z, gap do goi chai lên neo. Bend the left knee and raise the left knee more higher. 5. Tapchum, goat chan phai swung. Kick the right heel on the ground and lift your left knee more up. 4. That's good. I'm goat chan phai swung. Tapchum do goi chai lên neo. 3. Okay, ji. 2. And then 1. Chan chai ve chuak sang phai. Left leg right side. Thigh phai land right hand up and arch back here. Em cáo hai tay xuống đi. Chị ơi, hôm nay uống luôn. Khom nhiều giang chân. Hai chân gần một chút. Hai chân gần một chút. And tập trung hai tay xuống. Both hands down. Both leg closer. Yes. More closer, more closer. 5. You come back by yourself. 4. Sway. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Enjoy. 3. Singai hai tay xuống. Em cáo. 2. And then 1. Come back. Em back. Child pose. Em back. Child pose here. Em cáo à? Hôm qua không ăn à? Hả? Rest for a while. Thả lỏng. Okay, knee open him. Okay. And then come back. Doi chan doi ven. Chan phai ve chuak. Right leg forward. Do vai chai swung. Drop the left knee on the ground. On the mat. That's good here. The first one, raise your arms up here. Dan thai. Swai ban thai here. Now inhale. That's good here. Mochu de mong swung. And then huang lung. Arch back here. Inhale. Look straight head up. Stretch up. And exhale. Arch back here. Inhale and exhale. Hold there. If you're feeling hard, so motai swung is okay. Motai, one hand down is also okay. Nam, hita bintuang, siat bub, bone. That's good. Ba. I'm not clear mochutai vesao. High. And then mouth, both palms together. Twist your spine to the right side, look back. 5. Mahakyutai, move your elbows away from each other. 4. That's good. Mochut demong vechuak. Yes, 90 degree. 3. Singai soizon sang phai. Naklen. 2. And then 1. Arms down. Chan ve sao. Chaun mat. Downward facing dog. Chan phai lên. Chan phai lên. 5. Thang hai mom. Swai dui phai sang phai. 4. 3. 2. 1. Second time. Chan phai ve chuak gan thai. Do voi chai swung here. That's good here. Tai chai nam do goi phai. Left palm on the right knee. Right hand up. Inhale. Lift the body up here. And exhale here. Arch back. Come back. Inhale. Lift the center of chest here. And exhale. Arch back. Come back. Inhale. One more round. And exhale. Arch back here. Hold this position. 5. 4. You see. There Wi-Fi with samuchut. 3. Knuckle leave the center of chest. 2. And then 1. High tail and raise your arms up here. Change the hand here. Tai Phi Nam, and Tai Chai Swung Sang Phi, left palm to the right side. Khom Thalong Dogo if I don't lose the right knee. Okay. Tai Phi Lane, right hand up. 5. Hold this position. Ban biết đúng rồi. Nào, nín xuống ok, nín lên ok. Nín xuống ok, nín lên ok, không sao. 3. Sway on, keep rolling your navel to the right side. Lift your navel. 2. 1. Opposite side. Sway long doi ben. Tai Phi swung sang chai. Tai chai lane. Raise the left hand up here. 5. 4. 3. 2. And then 1. Chown mat, downward facing dog. That's good. Chan Phi waist out, Chan Phi lane. 5 Nam. 4. 3. 2. And then 1. Chan Phi way chuak. That's good here. Dogo Chai Swung, left knee on the ground here. So you have some option here. Tai Phi Nam home, okay. Tai Phi Nam Dui Chai, okay. Or Tai Phi Nam Goat Chan Chai, okay. Choose one of them here. Tai Chai lane. Let's go. Inhale, Y way out. And exhale, right hand back side. Where you find comfortable, let's do that. And then arch back here. Hold this position. 5. Okay, that's good. Knuckle leave the center of chest. 4. Okay, chiye. 3. Knuckle hai vai chai swung. 2. And then 1. Raise your arms up here. Thang Chan Phi, right leg straight. Mochu Chan Phi way chuak, right leg more forward. And then Tai Chai Swung Sang Phi. Tai Phi lane, right hand up. 5. Knuckle in Mahavai. 4. That's good. The mochu sway on knuckle in Sang Phi. 3. 2. Sway long doi ben. Twist opposite side. Tai Phi swung sang chai. Tai chai lane. 5. Singai. Ban Chan Phi lane. Goat Chan Phi swung. Đúng rồi. Thang Chan Phi. Kyojan Chan Phi. 4. You keep it here. 3. Under the shoulder. 2. Lift the chest up. And then 1. Chan waist out. Chown mat, downward facing dog. Chan Phi lane, right leg up. That's good here. Hold there. Gap dogo if I lane neo. Nam. Tapchum goat Chan Chai Swung dogo if I lane neo. Lift the right knee more higher. Roll the right thigh. Open the pelvic. Bone. Wi-Fi swung, drop the right shoulder down. 3. 2. And then 1. Chan Phi way chuak sang chai. Chioi hôm nay không nhớ giang chân. Hai chân gần. Gần đúng rồi. Sway ban Tai Phi sang Phi. Đúng rồi. And to một lần gập chân and then hai tay xuống here. Đúng rồi. That's good. Hold this position here. 5. 4. 3. 2. And then 1. To come back. Tai swung. Arms back. Thalong Chan here. Got line, got swung. Thalong Chan, Thalong mom. MOA. Are you okay? Are you okay? Okay. And you okay? Okay. Embrace child pose. Rest for a while. Mahagui. Mahagui. And then come back. That's good here. One more posture here. Mahang Uang Lung. Hip opening and back bend together here. So maybe you need to be fold the mat here and then Dogo Ifai Song here. Namkwa. That's good. Chanchai Vechuak De Mong Swang. Drop the hips down here. Yes. First, let's warm up the inner thigh here. And Chanchai Vechuak Gup Dogo Ichai Chimdo. Enjoy here. That's good here. Chanchai. You can fold the mat. Gup thumb. That's good here. Now, lane swung here. Push your hip down and then up here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Mocho lane here. Alright, Tapchum Sawai Zone, Sangchai, Sawai Dui Fai. Daemong Swung, drop the hip down and leave the center of chest here. Arch back here. 5. Don't allow your lower abdomen to the right side. 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Once, rest for a while. Chanchai Visa, left leg back. And then Chanchai Vechua Gantai. Dogo Ifai Swan here. Now we are ready to do posture here. Gup Chan Fai, bend the right knee here. Tai Fai Nam Ko Chan Fai. So adai, Mot Tai adai, okay? Or Gup Tai, Dan Tai adai, okay? Or if you're inflexible, then Savai Vai, okay? Try any of them. Tabdi. Check any of them. You have strap? Yes, please take it. Good. 5. Okay, see. 4. Kau singai, Kizi. 3. You are wasting your time. Then you pass. 2. And then 1. That's good here. Drop the left knee down. And then right leg forward here. To counter pose, relax your inner thigh. Yeah, it's okay, ma. Doichan, ma. Yeah. So, hip down and leave the center of chest here. Inhale and exhale. Lock your right knee with the left armpit. Twist your spine to the right side. 5. Keep rolling your navel to the right side. Savai Zone Sang 5. 4. MOE. Doi Falendi. 3. That's good. Twist more. Look back. Focus on breathe. Tapchum tha. Tap tha boob. Breathe by abdomen. Find your breath in the abdomen. 3. Thalong mat. Relax your face muscle. 2. And then 1. Then come back. That's good here. Doichan. Opposite leg here. Yes. Themochu Chan 5 Vechuak and then hip down here. Mom swung here. Tapchum adena, khom swai bub sang chai. Tapchum swai bub sang fai here. Okay, that's good here. Up and down few rounds here. Yes, 5, 4, tapchum, 3, 2, and then 1. Lift the hip up. Swai zone sang fai, and then hip down here. Swai dui chai here. Okay, khom adai, headai, and then thang tai. Both arms shoulder up here. 5, 4. Okay, chi. 3. That's good. Muchu demong swang neckline. 2. And then 1. Chan ve sao, chaun mat, chan file in. Downward facing dog, right leg up. And then chan fai ve chuak, right leg forward. Dogoi chai swung, drop the left knee on the ground. Here, simply you can catch. That's okay. Second option, you can bend the elbow and then make a grip with the arms here. Busy? You must be bring the leg here more forward. 5. That's good. Yes. 4. So I went here. Okay. Yeah. 3. Yes. 2. And then 1. To come back. Chân về sau. Chaun mat. Here. Hít vào. Chân về chuak. And then dogoi chai ve chuak here. Ban chân chai sang fire. Drop the hip down and twist your spine to the left side here. Left knee off here. Thang long, lift the center of chest, twist your spine, look back here. 5. That's good. Demong chai swung, drop your left sitting bone down. Demong chai swung, dung joy, de vai chai ve sao. Move your left shoulder away from left hip. Bone. Tapchum tha, focus on breathe. Tap tha boob. Breathe by abdomen. Ba. Thalong mat, relax your face muscle. Kombuan. High. And then ma. Thang hai chan. Both legs straight here. Relax your knees and thighs here. Leg stretching with the side bend here. Chupchan. Kizi. Kizi. Kaizi. That's good here. And this one we will do with the flow here. That's good here. Inhale. Legs up here. And exhale. Both legs open here. Come forward here. Bend forward here. Let's do that here. Moi. Hello. Nina. Come. Kwaidoma. Enjoy. Let's do that here. High thigh and raise your arms up here. Lean your body here. Come long. And to chapchan momlain. And thoza. Goi jaiye. Jang high chan here. High thigh ve chua. Inhale. Chupchan momlain. And exhale. Yes. Come forward here. Inhale. And exhale. That's good here. Now high thigh ve sao. Demong ve chuak. Push your hip forward a little bit. Adjust the gap. Go to ve chuak. Heel forward and toes up. Keep activating your both legs here. Yes, move forward here. Both arms shoulder level. Jang thigh here. Thigh phi swung. Right hand down. Left hand over the head. Come back. Inhale. And exhale to the left side. Come back. Inhale. And right side exhale. Come back. Inhale. And left side exhale. Come back. Inhale. And right side exhale. Come back. Inhale. Left side exhale. High thigh length. Inhale. hai tai ve chuak axil. Dong joy. Hi, Jumba. And then come back. Chup hai dogoi, both leg together. Hai tai om goi, hug them. Thang lung naklein. And those one here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. 2 more time here. Legs open here. Move the hips forward a little bit here. Open the legs more and more. Move. Adjust the gap here. Yes. Them Highland. Jang Tai. Both arms shoulder level. Singai. Banchan. Gonchan len. Gorchan Vechuk Dungjoy. And Tai Phi Swung. Right hand down here. Left hand up. Come back. Inhale. And exhale to the left side. Inhale. Come in the center. And exhale to the right side. Come back, inhale, and left side, exhale. Motlan, come back, inhale, and right side, exhale. Hold there. 5, Devai Chai Visauchi Dungjoy. 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Come back in center, inhale, and exhale to the left side. 5, Devai 5 Visau, push your right shoulder more back. 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Raise your arms up, inhale, and exhale. Bend the right knee, and Kui Tai Phi Swung, right elbow on the mat here. Yes. Now lock your right foot with the left palm. Inhale, lift the body up here, and Thang Chan Phi, right leg straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Release it here. That's good here. Leg straight here. Right chin opposite side here. Opposite leg here. Kui Tai Chai Swan. Left elbow on the mat here. Kui Tai Chai Thang. Don't go here. Tai Phi Nam Ko Chin Chai. Inhale. Thang Chin Chai. Left leg straight here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. That's good here. Go Chapchan, both legs together here. Butterfly here. So hôm nay Thiên music cái Thiên chuông. Chuông, okay. So chị ơi, em ơi, chuông na chuông. Tập trung chuông okay. Ban tập trung nha, tập trung Thiên đào đố, hiểu không? Tập trung chuông, okay. Okay. Không tập trung chuông, ôi giời, đào. Hiểu không? Chị hiểu không? Chị thích Thiên mà. Thích Thiên? Okay. Em xin ơi, chị, hello, hiểu không? Tập trung chuông à, okay? Like that. Không tập trung nhà, không tập trung phone. Okay? Let's start here. Both legs together here. Leave the center of chest, thang long here. And then exhale. That's good here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Now, nằm xuống, lay down, chân về sau quay दो. मनो, उसका कैमरा सेट कर एक बारी, उसको जूम पे कर दे, बीच में रखा मेरे सामने. फोकस है ना, मल्टीप्लाई 3 वाला है, उस पे कर दियो. चिवे खन मत या मत. ओके जी, ओके, खमसा. Manu, लाइट बेटा लाइट बंद करो. But then okay, tập trung music, tập trung thả thiền chuông. यहाँ से शुरू कर दो बेटा बंद. Focus towards the sound. ये रहा तार लगा हुआ. निकाल दो ये. हाँ ये निकाल दो. बोर्ड निकाल दो पूरा. नीचे का हाँ. ये हाँ बस बेटा. Thank you. Relax your body, relax your mind. No stress, no pain. Just lose your whole the body. Relax everything. With every exhalation. Thalong Chan, Thalong Tai. Chit. Lose the body, relax everything. Next 10 minutes. My foot. Keep listening the sound and feel your body connection with the sound. Allow the sound to enter in your body. Feel the energy inside. Go with the ball energy, ball pitch.